This movement sequence is part of our World War II topic. It's been inspired by the Lindy Hop and swing dancing, but it's appropriate for one dancer instead of being in a pair. So you're going to start with your feet together. You can choose to have your hands either here at the sides or behind your back. And we're going to start with a step together step. So imagine that you're looking into the mirror and as if I'm your mirror image. So we're going to go this way first of all. Step together step, tap. Step together step, tap. From here we step to the side and then we clap low. Step, then clap, step, then clap. We repeat that going high. Step, then clap, step, then clap. We then go from the start. Step together, step, tap. Step together, step, tap. Step, low, low, high, high. Well done. From here, this leg is going to kick to the front. Kick front, kick side, then step behind, side, front. Then your other leg repeats. Kick front, kick side, step behind, side, in front. Well done. Let's go from the beginning. So feet start together, hands either here or here. Ready? And step together, step, tap. Step together, step, tap. Low, low, high, high. Repeat. Step together, step, tap. Step together, step, tap. Low, low, high, high. Kick front, kick side. Step behind, side, in front. Kick front, kick side. Step behind, side, in front. Very well done. From here, you're going to put your feet together and your arms are going to shoot. 1, 2. Then we shoot the other way. 1, 2. Very good. From here, after we've done our 2 shoots, we're going to kick our leg. So this leg is going to kick in front of us. Kick, step in, kick, step in, kick, step in, kick, step in. Well done. Let's go from the very beginning. So feet together, choose where your hands go. Ready? And step together, step, tap. Step together, step, tap. Low, low, high, high. Again. Step together, step, tap. Step together, step, tap. Low, low, high, high. Kick front, kick side. Step behind, side, front. Kick front, kick side. Step behind, side, front. And shoot for 2. Shoot for 2. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4. Very well done. Now, if you would like to make that more tricky, what you can do is when we do kick front, kick side, behind, side, front, you could do it double the speed and do it 4 times through instead of twice. So it would look like this. Front, side, behind, side, front. 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 From there, rather than just doing the arms, you could add the feet. So you will have finished here. Your arms will still shoot the same way, but this leg will kick out. Kick, kick, change, kick, kick. And it's all very springy. Let's try that again. So arms will shoot this way, leg will shoot the other way. 1, 2, change, 1, 2. Very good. Then to finish, we have our 4 kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4. To make this more challenging, what you could do is make it more springy. So it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I show you from the side, it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want even more of a challenge, you could add the arms. So the arms windmill like this. So they go in circles, forward and back. If I show you from the side, it looks like this. So you do this with your arms as you kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the front, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can choose. So let's go from the beginning. I will do level 1 first. So the slower version without all the hops in the arms. So choose where your arms are going to go. Ready, and step together, step, tap, step together, step, tap, low, high, repeat, step together, step, tap, step together, step, tap, low, high. We kick front, side, behind, side, front, front, side, behind, side, front. We shoot for 2, shoot for 2, kick, 2, 3, 4. Very well done. Let's try that version again, but this time I'll give you counts. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Okay, for those of you who'd like more of a challenge, I'll now do the more complicated version. So you choose where your hands start. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good try, well done. So whichever version you want to do, the one that's a little